Today I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest peach cobbler you could ever dream of making. Here we go. So I'm going to start out here with some frozen peaches that I had put up. And I am going to probably put about 4 cups, and I'm going to microwave them for just 1 minute. Just to get them unfroze a little bit. I was trying to think of something I could do with these peaches, because they are delicious. Put them right in the freezer. And I am going to butter my pan here. Just making a small little batch. I had this cake mix left over. You can't just make a cake with 1 cake mix now. You got to use at least 1.5, it seems like. So, all right, okay, so I'm going to take my cake mix, and I'm just going to add about 1 cup of milk to it. Okay, that looked about right. Just thought enough that it should get going pretty good. All right. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my half of my, it's just a golden butter cake mix. I didn't know what I was going to do with this, but this is like the perfect thing. I've got to find my cinnamon. I'll be right. Okay. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to my cake batter and some vanilla. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And just 1 cup of milk. And we'll see if that's enough. It's going to be kind of like a peach cobbler, but a really easy version of peach cobbler. That looks just about perfect. Yeah, just a nice batter. Okay. And I'm going to pour that over my peaches. Scrape out all the yummies. I guess you'd consider this an easy version of peach cobbler. Nice Michigan peaches. I'm just going to spread that around. And then I am going to take a stick of butter and I am going to microwave that for 1 minute. I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to take my stick of butter and I'm just going to drizzle that over the top. I might not have needed a whole stick, but we'll see what we got. I'm going to put it in a 3 350 oven for about probably 40 minutes, and I'll be back. So I did end up baking this for an hour, and it smells so good. This has got to be the absolute easiest peach cobbler you could ever make in your life. Put a little of that juice on there. Look at this beautiful, beautiful peach cobbler. And I don't think it could be any easier than that. And yeah, you'll have to try it. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it, and love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.